1 for the floor, 2 for the floor, 3 for the floor, 4 for the floor. 1 for the mouth. Chew on the spoon. You like vegetables, Charlie? Where's your ear? That's right. Good job. Where's your nose, Charlie? Where's your nose? Yeah. Close. Where's your foot? Can you stamp your feet? Can you stamp your feet? Stomp your feet, Charlie. Stomp your feet. The fallen comrades.